Hello YouTubers. I'm going to do 1 or 2 videos on the E series John Deere tractors. Mine is an E150. This is the series that has the Easy Change oil filter on it. I decided to change the Easy Change system out to a conventional system because I found out that you only get a half a quart of oil in the new filter system. Even though it is easy to change, you're not moving much oil, which seriously I doubt is going to contribute to the engine lasting a long time. So here's what you need to do it. I ordered my kit from the green parts store, and basically what you get is 2 quarts of oil, the oil filter, the drain tube, and basically a pipe nipple to screw the filter on. These are genuine John Deere parts. I did find out after purchasing them though that it is standard pipe thread. So as far as the drain tube, you could just go to the hardware store, get yourself a tube, use the plug you're going to be taking out of the motor and a coupling, and save a lot of money. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is change the drain tube. You're going to go on the right side of the motor. That's the side with the dipstick and the starter. You need to remove this little plastic piece. There's one bolt there. I already loosened the bolt, so this shouldn't take too long. Okay, the bolt's loose. Now you'll remove this panel. And the plug and where you're going to put your drain tube is right here on the bottom of the motor underneath the starter. They recommend that you get a tube and siphon the oil out of the motor through the dipstick tube. But I made this little plastic concoction. I'm going to give it a shot, see how it works. Okay, I'll get back whenever I'm done draining oil. Okay, so the drain plug's out and we're ready for the next step, which is going to be inserting the new drain tube in. I use Permatex number 2. It's my preference for thread sealant. You'll need a 15/16 deep well socket. Next you'll do is just screw it in. Okay, there's the tube installed, all finished. The cap is on it. It is a twist cap. There's a rubber O-ring in there. So basically all you'll do is you'll put the side skirt back on, and this side's done. Now to the filter side. Okay, for the filter side, the first thing you're going to do is remove this cover the same as the other side. You have the same bolt down there. And you're going to remove the filter. So I'll be back whenever I accomplish that. Okay, so we have the filter off. We have the side cover off. You need to take this bolt out with the green tip. It is 1 1/8 socket. I'll come back once I get that out. Okay, the Easy Change assembly is off. That's what you have right there. The nipple screws in here, which your oil filter screws on, and this is the seat for your oil filter. So once I get this cleaned up a little bit, I'll be right back. Okay, that's total removal. That's where the nipple sticks. This is the nipple here. I use number 2 Loctite on there. And if you look on the end, it does have a socket to go in there. However, I don't have it. So I'm just going to use a screwdriver. Okay, I'm going to screw it in. I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, well, the way I'm screwing this in is just to use a screwdriver. Now it actually has bottomed out, if you can see that. So it really can't go anymore. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a wrench on the screwdriver and just give it a little half a turn. Okay, I'll be right back after I do that. And there you go. It's finished. You're just going to screw your filter on. I'm going to give it a turn with the filter wrench to half a turn, and now you can change your oil and get all the oil out. You just need to add 2 quarts of oil, run it for a while, then check it. I apologize for the extreme unprofessional video, but this is the first time I've ever done anything like this, and I'm using a dash cam out of my truck. So I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.